wedding cake stands as a symbol of good luck and fertility. Sabi nga nila, pag nagsishare kayo ng cake during your wedding day, that means kung paano kamahal ang iyong minamahal. So, tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki yung ibibigay ni Mami at gaano kalaki yung ibibigay ni Daddy. Daddy, huwag mong ibigay lahat kay